Now we're going to review some of the basic tools beekeepers use. Let's start with the smoker. This is the bellows. You load it with fuel and light it. Let the fire go and burn down a bit till you have a cooler smoke. And then you can use small amounts in puffs to move the bees away from where you're going to be working. So they go down into the hive and away from you. The smoke also dissipates alarm pheromones, so you have a calmer hive. The next tools they're just called hive tools. There's two different kinds. I prefer this. They're used to pull and pry things apart. And bees make a substance called propolis, which is a very sticky glue, and they get it everywhere in the hive, between the hives, so you use this to pry, and it's very useful. And then this is a bee brush, and it's used to just gently move bees across a surface. The last gear I'd like to address is protective gear. This is what I wear. I like to wear a jacket with the hood attached. I have gloves on. They're covered with propolis, which is a yellow substance, sticky substance. I like to wear gum boots. You can also tuck your pants into your socks. And I wear loose pants so that if a bee does try to sting me, it can't penetrate through to my skin. This is what I'm comfortable in. Another option is the full body suit with the attached hood and gloves, nice and clean. And I'll show you how the hood just flips up and over, and there's lots of zippers, but you'll figure it out. And so that's the protective gear. This should answer most of your questions about gear, and I hope to see you in the apiary and in the garden.